If you are looking for the best motorcycle seat, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Air Seat Innovation's Air Motorcycle Seat Cushion Pressure Relief Pad. The Air Seat Innovation cushion fits most large cruisers, standards, touring bikes, adventure touring bikes, and Harley-Davidsons. The product is designed to reduce vibrations and pressure spots. It's 14.5 inches wide by 14 inches long. The inner bladder is made of neoprene rubber for durability, and the outer cover is vented for airflow. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. Minimal air is required for this cushion, which combined with the ability to vary the firmness, makes it an excellent seat pad. When it's properly inflated, it has little to no effect on riding height. It has a staggered air pocket technology that provides relief in the tailbone, scrotum, and prostate area. Overall, the cushion is good quality, feels secure on your bike, and provides a good amount of airflow. One downside with this product is that the straps and clips that are supposed to hold the seat in place may loosen or may not be long enough to reach properly under certain types of seats. Also, if you overinflate it, it's not comfortable and it may take some trial and error to determine how much air is best for you. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Sheepskin Buttpad. These Alaska-made seat pads are 100% sheepskin and keep you cool in summer and warm in winter. They are easy to install and remove and are a universal fit. They are not affected by the rain and they can also be used as a pillow for camping or to wipe bugs off your windshield. One of the best things about this product is its price. It's much more affordable than some of the other high-quality products on the market. Also, even if you ride in weather that's 100 degrees Fahrenheit, your butt stays dry and doesn't sweat or stick to the seat. The fit and finish are excellent and it only raises you up in the seat a little bit. The strap system also works well to hold the cushion in place. One downside is the pad does not have a foam or gel insert, so it won't bring much additional comfort to a badly designed seat. Also, it isn't designed to promote airflow. Finally, while it's advertised as being a universal fit, there have been some complaints that it doesn't fit all seats. The number 3 position is held by CONFORMAX Topper XL Ultraflex Motorcycle Gel Seat Cushion. This American-made gel and foam seat cushion provides superior comfort on deep-profile touring bike and cruiser seats. It includes extra gel protection for your lower back and buttocks as well as its bone protection. The pad easily attaches to your seat with a secure adjustable strap system and comes with both a loop fastening system and a D-ring or ear-tab fastening system, depending on which you prefer. Overall, the cushion is nice and comfortable and provides excellent airflow and ventilation to keep you cool on long rides. The cushion conforms to your body shape and reduces and equalizes seating pressure. It doesn't slip or slide around after you install it, and you barely notice it's there when you're riding. One issue with this product is that it can get quite hot if you leave it on your bike on a warm, sunny day. Also, it will raise your head a little bit, which can be problematic if you prefer staying lower on your seat. In addition, it may take a little while for the cushion to break into your desired comfort level. Next at number 4, we have AIRHAWK Motorcycle Seat Cushion Cruiser. This medium-sized seat pad fills with air so that you're literally riding on a cushion of air on your motorcycle. You'll inflate the cushion to capacity and then slip it inside of the black cover. This cushion is meant for use with a cruiser. It is made from polyurethane and features a multi-cell design. The outer cover is made from stretchable and breathable non-skid urethane. The unique design of the inflatable pad increases your comfort and absorbs vibration coming up through your seat. The cover also features open mesh side panels, and this encourages airflow through the cells and helps to keep the pad cool in warmer weather. Easily blow up the cushion by mouth, then adjust the level of inflation with the special attached valve stem once you're sitting on your bike. Unfortunately, the air cushion may start to leak. You may also find that it slips around on your seat when you lean. The straps don't do much to hold it in place, and you'll also want to be careful with the valve stem. as it can become loose and cause the cushion to have a constant slow air leak. The number 5 position is held by SHEEPSKIN Gel Seat Pad Black in Medium. This seat pad cushions your bum with sheepskin. This particular seat pad is medium size. It's a nice black color that will not only match your motorcycle seat, but will also hide any dirt that gets on it. There are 2 straps that will secure the pad into place. If you want extra cushioning, there's the ability to insert a gel pad. What's really nice about this pad is that it's made of a natural material. This makes it incredibly durable even when exposed to the elements. You'll also appreciate that this seat pad doesn't move around, even if you do while riding. It will also stay cooler to the touch when left out in the hot summer sun. Unfortunately, the manufacturer claims that this pad will only fit specific motorcycle models, but isn't forthcoming in what models it will fit. This means you'll need to do a bit of research and contact the manufacturer to confirm that it fits your seat before buying. You may also find the sheepskin to feel very warm in the summer months after sitting on it for a long ride. Over time, the sheep's wool will become compact and matte down. This will reduce the pad's cushioning ability. Next at number 6, we have VAYGWAY Wood Beaded Seat Cushion. Wooden beads have long been a popular choice for making motorcycle seats more comfortable. This is a modern and more affordable version, and this 3.4 by 13.5 by 10.3 inch pad covers your seat with high quality wooden beads that are held together with sturdy polyurethane wear. The beads are then painted black. What's nice about this seat pad is that it won't compress down, so it will always have the air channels between the beads to help keep you cool. The beads will also give you a messaging effect on your rear end. This encourages circulation and will keep you from going numb. Unfortunately, the black paint on the beads does tend to wear off. This is not a good look for your pads. It also uses metal hooks that are coated in a rubber to secure it to your bike, which leaves a lot to be desired and could potentially damage your bike. The wear used to hold the beads together is more like a fishing line and isn't the most durable. Finally, at number 7, with SADDLEMEN Saddle Gel Seat Pad. This gel seat pad is from one of the most well-known names in motorcycle seats and cushions. You can trust the company to produce high-quality, durable products. This pad is 3D molded and features a gel center. It has air channels throughout to help keep you cool and increase the pad's breathability. The gel in this pad conforms to your unique anatomy and evenly distribute your weight and eliminate the pressure on your tailbone and hips. There's also a deep main center channel that helps to eliminate numbness and pressure discomfort. Unfortunately, this pad is an XL, which may be too large for many motorcycles. This gives the seat pad limited compatibility. You may also find that the molded pad isn't shaped to fit your anatomy. This can make it awkward to seat as your seat bones won't line up with the mounts. You may also find the channels don't do much to channel air, and that the gel makes this seat quite hot. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.